Hello, 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 hello. Are you ready to come on another work adventure with me? Are you? Remember when I told you that with this job, you never know what to expect? The unpredictability of this trip shocked even me. We are done with the North Sea job you saw last time. Winter is coming, so we need to leave the North Sea. Yeah, we can't work in the North Sea because it's too rough during the winter. That's the perks of working on a mobile facility. We move around a lot. This time, my colleagues and I are joining the vessel in port, in a seaport close to Amsterdam. We are sailing to Angola for another job. Bags unpacked. Here are our neighbors in port. Once we arrive, we go into shifts immediately. Work don't start with that. I am on the night shift, 12 midnight to 12 noon. I came out here to see where the day shift guys are at in the equipment we are bringing in. I see that they're still on it. We're spooling in cables from those containers on the quayside into the vessel. Let me go and dress up, ready for work. Before we sail, we'll be taking on some equipment such as these cables that are delivered in these containers, and we need to transfer them onto the winches on board the vessel. The winches, which are operated with remote controls, do the heavy lifting for us. We're just here to make sure that it's unspooling and transferring correctly to prevent damage to the equipment, that's all. When done with each container, there's a forklift driver on ground to move the containers to the side and bring out another one for us. Hey, my people, it don't set. As I was sleeping after shift, I received a phone call that I should pack my bags, that I'm going to Brazil for another job. They need me on a new project there, so I need to up and go to Brazil. That was how after one day on board, I am up again to travel to the other side of the world. I've just been called and my taxi is here, so yeah. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Enjoy your trip.
Thank you.
I'll help you with this flood. Yeah, no problem.
Yeah, I'll drop them.
Just scan.
Yeah.
Should be okay.
Yeah, it should be okay. It may not
Cheers.
work
Yeah,
because.
I can
Oh,
do
thank
for
you so
Yeah.
much. Thank you. That's my taxi. I have to leave the vessel before they sail this morning, so I'm going to a hotel to stay till whenever. I don't know yet. So here am I at this hotel in Amsterdam Airport, plain sporting. I just heard that I'll be here for 3 days because the course that I'm booked for in Brazil doesn't start till, in 3 days time. Yeah, it's either they take me there and I wait in Rio, or I stay here and I wait till that day here. I didn't go into the city in Amsterdam because it is raining cats and dogs. This place has like a UK weather, always raining, windy. So I spent the time eating hotel food and making videos for my other channel.
Over your blanket, so we don't have to wake you up in case of turbulence.
Finally, after 3 days in Amsterdam, it's time to travel to Rio. How many hours it is to Rio de Janeiro? 11 hours, 11 minutes. The last time I spent this long on one flight was when I flew from Madrid to Cape Town. and we had a headwind 12 good hours that one. Inokata na plane ika charok. Finally, we're in Rio de Janeiro. See how tired I look. I need a flatbed, sharp. Okay, bye. At the hotel, the way I'll dive into this bed, Look at my view. I am on the 22nd floor with a good view of the city. Waking up in Rio. My room is facing the Christ the Redeemer monument. You can't even imagine how many times I've been wowed by this monument whenever I see the video online. I'm finally in Rio and I must go there. Yeah. But first, everyone that arrived yesterday is scheduled for a client-specific offshore survival course plus medical. My own offshore, or all of us, our offshore survival course and medical are still valid, but the client in Brazil wants everyone working on their own project to pass through their own courses. So all of us pick to go and work on this project from all over the world. We'll go for that course. That means we'll stay in the city for a few days. Enough time for us to be tourists. Nice. Oh my god. Once we finished with all the official stuff we had to do, we became instant tourists. First stop, Christ the Redeemer. I must go there. I've been seeing this monument online for years and it has always been impressive to me. And today I'm going to be there in person, never in my wildest dreams. That's one of the perks of working in this job. If there, for any reason, you have to come in early, yeah, you can visit a lot of places without having to make your own arrangements. Yeah. Whoever recommended the right is right. Oh my god. Some of them are so close, like. How did these cars come up here?
A la derecha, todos pueden admirar un hermoso paisaje de Río de Janeiro.
¡Wow! ¡Madre mía!
Estação do Corcovado. Desembarque obrigatório. Aguardem a abertura das portas.
The views are incredible and we were lucky that the day was clear and sunny.
Es que voy a pegar a la gente, no puedo.
it's to the incentive, I guess.
It's an inventor, scientist. Yo! Look at him! Assistant Jesus rising. The monument is larger than life, just like I imagined it would be like being here in person. If you leave us, we will stay up there forever, but every good thing comes to an end. It's time to go for the walk that brought us here. Today, we are joining the vessel via a water taxi. You saw those vessels on anchor at sea from the bridge when we were going to the offshore training. Our vessel is one of those, and we will get there on a taxi boat. That's Christ the Redeemer in the distance. And that's the bridge that some people saw on Instagram and they say that it's Third Mainland Bridge. It does look like Third Mainland Bridge, but not as high as this Rio Bridge. And that's our home for the next 6 weeks over there. This was the same vessel I worked on in Nigeria that year. It's now in Brazil for another job. We're here now, and that, my friends, is how we get into the vessel. Another way of boarding a vessel unlocked. It's a new way every single time. You need to experience them all. We're entering the belly of the big fish. Till next time, bye bye. See you soon.